This is our new wine fridge. We haven't installed it where we're gonna actually put it at yet, but we've been giving it a little testing right here in the kitchen. We put a bottle of our wine in here. Each drawer pulls in and out. The drawers are also removable for larger sized wine bottles. There is temperature control for the top and the bottom. And there is also a Celsius and Fahrenheit. There's also lights. And it locks right here. We got keys. And apparently there's different temperatures for wine, which is why the bottom and top section doesn't reach the same temperatures. It runs really quietly. It chills the wine perfectly. And it hasn't even made a difference in my power bill at all.